Investigation mom takedown. It was a key piece of evidence. So why did it take so long for a lawyer to get his hands on this video? The defense attorney for a mother of four slammed to the ground by a Tampa police officer is still waiting.
Yeah, he's waiting for an explanation. He wants to know, why was it so hard to get police dash cam video in the first place, which captured that takedown? Our senior investigative reporter Steve Andrews joining us now with a follow-up, and this was, I would imagine, some important evidence.
Well, defense attorney Brett Semitovich believes it certainly was. You know, he told me that never in his career as both a prosecutor and a defense lawyer has getting a hold of a video recording proven so difficult. It took 8 months for this dash cam video, which shows Officer Kevin Fitzpatrick taking down 34-year-old Liz Vargas, to be turned over to her defense team. Why so long? The state attorney's office claims it wasn't sure a video existed. It points out that normally a police report indicates if there's video evidence. Fitzpatrick's did not. But Liz's defense attorney, Brett Semitovich, claims he and his partner asked prosecutors about a video as early as December.
And we requested it, and we requested it, and we requested it. We officially put an in-writing request in April after our normal verbal requests went unanswered.
The state attorney's office first told me it obtained the tape in April. The video, Semitovich states, mysteriously showed up in the mail in late July. Former prosecutor, now Stetson University College of Law professor Bobby Flowers.
It's not only a duty under the Constitution, it's an absolute ethical duty to turn that evidence over.
When I pressed the state attorney's office about the delay, it changed its story. Now it says, after meeting with Liz Vargas's attorneys in April, it learned the video might exist. Last November, Fitzpatrick approached Liz Vargas about an obstructed license plate. The audio is missing. The video shows Fitzpatrick trying to restrain Liz, then slamming her to the ground. He charged her with obstructing an officer and resisting arrest without violence.
This is one of those pieces of evidence that there need not be a request. That evidence has to be turned over immediately.
In light of the charges, Professor Flowers believes the video served some purpose for Liz's defense.
This case is exactly why the Supreme Court has said due process absolutely requires that the prosecutor hand over that evidence.
So why wasn't that video handed over sooner? The Tampa Police Department says, hey, the video is here. All someone had to do was ask for it. The state attorney contends if the cop shop had filled out the police report correctly, it would have known about the video and handed it over sooner. This kind of reminds me of that scene from The Wizard of Oz with the Scarecrow. Remember this?
Hey, yeah, but still, Steve, you have on one hand the situation where they didn't know, or at least that's the claim. On the other hand, you didn't ask for it. So whose responsibility is it to hand over this evidence?
Good question. The way it was explained to me is the responsibility falls on the prosecutor. If the police, the courts have said, if the police have evidence, the courts presume the prosecutors know about it. So it's up to the prosecutors.
That way. All right.
We get a lot of that around here, don't we?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Yeah. Thank you, Steve. Well,